ice cream. Shit, Buffalo fight to the rescue. We got AMR stuck. Marty Barrett saving the day. Where the fuck did Jay go? There's Jay, JCB, DOT. Beat the horn! He's on fucking the phone. Holy shit. Holy. Motto closed.
Number 5 closed. That's why I'm from Buffalo. Go to Derby.
Route 5 is closed. Everything's closed.
Oh, fuck up. That's why I call. I make a turn. I try to local. I put stop and like.
Yeah, it's brutal.
Oh.
But there's hotel right across the way there.
Hotel, I was in a hotel, man. I stayed for tonight. Safe food.
There you go.
Guy, right?
What?
You're a local guy. Right?
Yeah, we're from around here. We've been doing this all day.
Oh, very
We
good.
just helped the Spectrum crew.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Listen, what do you want? To have a fire turn? Which way are we going, Carter?
My phone maybe Google darker. It's working. Do you know Google how to make it the screen go up? I fucked up. I swear to talk on that one. I can't call it.
What
Dark.
happened?
Everything happens.
Holy
Dark.
jeez. It won't turn on?
It's on, but I can't see it.
It's dead. Did you break it or?
No, the power is on. You're on. I charge it.
Here, let me see.
Yeah, maybe good. You Google. I tried to YouTube how to make it the dark. As long as I put both bottom and
Where you from? Around here?
New York City, but I have a house in the Derby over there. I tried to. Oh shit! Number 5, 90 closer.
Yeah.
90.
Alright, let me pull you up here.
All right.
Here, take this.
Hey,
Let's
One by one.
Have him keep his wheel turned that way.
turn this way.
Yeah, I'm gonna pull it.
All right.
Come inside.
Keep your. No, I'm good. I'll guide you. I'll help you. I help you.
The bell is good right now.
Keep his wheel turned this way, Card.
No, keep straight or not?
No, leave it like this. Leave it like this. He's gonna have you leave it like this. He said.
All right.
All right. When he gets pulling, give it a little bit of gas.
I put the pocket. That's right.
All right. Put it in drive. You ready? All right. Go, Carter.
Right now, you ready? Right?
Start driving. Drive. Oh, there you go.
To the hotel. I want to the hotel.
Go hotel?
Yeah.
All right.
I don't want to die here.
We got it. I might be to the market. You got GPS on there?
Yeah. What the name of that?
Are you able to use it?
What the name of that?
Go to Waypoint. You got a cabin out in Derby?
No, because you have to form the better. Oh, everything happened. You send that fuck up. Try help me think up a fucking form. No form. I can't search. I can search it.
It won't turn on. Are you sure you got power to it?
Yeah. So,
Here.
So,
You have a Google or something on there?
No, it's a Samsung, right?
yeah. No, it's Motorola. Fuck up.
Motorola.
Maybe too cold. Set down. Crazy. This is emergency. Set down.
Yeah, they get.
Fix. Get an
I have a
iPhone.
severe form. I have another form, but I need the chips. You know, for the fucking pin, put it out. I can't find the fucking support thing, and there are a lot of stuff on my box. You know, the
Yeah.
too cold and the stock up here. Oh shit!
Is that idling up?
Yeah, because it's cold.
What happened? It's too cold and set down.
I mean, that could be it.
Oh, yeah.
Your LC. Do you have 4-wheel drive?
No.
No 4-wheel in
No
this?
was drive. Maybe the time. Maybe no power. I can't drive. Me to park here for maybe hotel tomorrow.
I mean, here.
Oh, I can't go to the hotel even right now.
No?
Drive out, put my car, put my car over here.
And then go to a hotel?
Yeah, maybe hotel, take care of you. No problem, tell you about it.
All right, here.
Tomorrow I can file the tow car.
You sure there's no 4-wheel in this?
No, I maybe the couple days crazy, you know.
Here, let's see. Here, I want to try to see if there's 4-wheel drive. See if there might be.
No 4-wheel. This
No
no
4-wheel?
No 4-wheel. Oh shit. Now, right now it can't go up. That's
Here,
why.
here. Try. You ready? Try putting it in the L, low. Go all the way down the L. Keep
No,
going.
same thing.
That's low. That's low.
Come.
Here, try. Try go now. No. You only got front wheel. Ah, shit.
Oh. Not good.
Let me go talk to my friend real quick.
Let's talk to the guy inside.
Yeah.
He says he has to call his boss.
I called the but I don't have the fucking phone. I found my phone.
If you could get someone to drive you to the hotel for the night and leave this here, you'd be all right.
Yeah, we gotta go to a job.
Another job?
Yeah, we got another job.
We got a big company.
Write
You
down the
remi-
phone
you-
number in case you finish it. Maybe tonight you can call me.
all right,
All
all
right, give
right.
us a call.
Take care, take care. Fucking GTA. Let's go take Kenny to the hotel.
They're just
50 bucks.
giving me money for
50
giving a
bucks.
fucking minivan. I'm making mad money right now.
Who are you on the
This
phone
guy
with?
was yelling in this
I
house.
didn't even pull up
See
this
what he
guy
wants.
gave me
See what he wants. See what he wants. Look it up. Look it up. Look it
I
up.
pulled out
Carter,
other
stop.
guys.
Stop.
Have a good one. Give me 20 bucks.
What the fuck?
He was yelling at
Kenny's
us.
gonna give you 50.
I'm on the phone with my dad. Shut the fuck about Kenny. I don't give a fuck about
50
the
bucks. Let's
right
go
now.
send. Let's go save.
I gotta take him to the hotel up the street. For 50
We got
bucks.
room with the teddy bear?
For 50 bucks. Some Arab or some Chinese from New York City wants me to take him to the hotel up the street for 50 bucks. Jeremy and Sean. We're literally on Ridge and Abbott,
Buffalo
like making
Five.
mad money.
Toady Roady.
We're going to right now for 50 bucks.
Sean,
Keep it going.
go, Kurds. Bulldog.
Keep it turned that way. Turn.
Oh shit. Sean, what'd you do?
You want to lead the way, actually? We'll get you there, boss.
Sean fucking backed into the mountain like a moron. Oh my god. All right, you follow us. We'll lead the way.
All right.
Oh boy.
Dude, push it from the back.
Push it.
Push it from the back. Get me right to the road. Now let's go.
All right. All right, ready, go. Push, push. Holy. Go. Give it hell. One more, keep go! Go!
But they talk to it.
From the back. Push it from the front, make me
Ooh.
back.
What the fuck you gonna do? Is this the boss?
This Charlie, this is our boss, Charlie.
Yo, boss.
He's been,
This is the boss.
this is the boss.
Oh, we'll get this fucking right on it. We'll get it out of here. You almost had her, too.
Hey, I think you need new tires too.
The tire needs to repair. Yeah, the chance.
He does tires. Hit him up.
You got him?
Alright, let's get in here. You hungry? You need a drink? You thirsty?
Sort of.
You go strap. Oh, fuck. I gotta take a break real quick. Don't even know how to turn their trucks around.
Cut it, Cards.
Cut it the other way. There you go.
Call him Gino. Call him Gino.
Yo, Dino. That thing got four-wheel drive. Oh, we got the minivan moving today. Oh.
Go left. Go left.
He's gonna run that strap right in.
Look at Bill. Look at Bill.
Oh, fuck. We got a semi-truck coming. Go, go, go. I'm gonna hit him.
B, lay the horn.
He's got no
Look at him go.
Go.
Go. Look at, we got all of DOT behind us. Oh my lord.
Old Barrett and the DOT came by. Oh, he's gonna smash into me. You been pulling him still?
looks like it. Does the windows work?
Oh, fuck, he ain't stopping. Oh, he's stopping. Yeah.
Sean! Oh my gosh, there's all the DOT.
I think I lost the strap. I don't think we're strapped.
No, I don't know if we are.
I don't even know where the strap would be.
The strap.
What's Art stopping for?
Go! Go! I think the strap's gone. I have no clue.
Might have to go to...
Buy another one?
He probably ran. It's probably wrapped up all around that axle. Cards, what are you doing, bud?
Dude, he's probably on the phone with his fucking girlfriend.
Oh shit, that's the fucking median. Just get in the minivan.
That's so fucking weird. Holy shit, your green light's fucking going.
Yeah, it is.
Oh my gosh. I don't see the strap anywhere, dude.
Fucking, we're gonna be pulling out the tow truck. Look at him.
Oh shit. Carter's saying something. Stop her. What the fuck is he
Don't be
doing?
rear end. I want to be rear end so bad. Hey, we lost the strap. We don't know where the strap is. Go, go, go.
Go, go, go. Oh shit.
I'm not plowing the road. I don't get paid.
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Look at him go, look at him go. Look at him go. Go, Sean, go. Where are we going? Oh. Don't run this lane.
You're good, man. You're good. What's up? Yeah, I will. You can go ahead, ma'am. I'm not. Oh, right. Didn't you get in? Hey, Terry.
Gino!
Gino, did you get in?
Gino! Gino! Hey, Keith!
Hey, where?
Dude, oh.
Get off.
Let's go, Gino!
Hey, just park him right where I am. All right.
Come on, Gino! Keith, we gotta go! Look, everyone in the hotel is looking at you right now, Jeremy. Everyone in the fucking... Holy shit, look how many people are looking. Look how many people are looking at us. Get him, Gino! Get him, Gino! Cards! Look how many people! Look at all the people! Look! Fuck yeah! Look at everyone looking at us in the hotel! Oh my god! Where's Gino? Where's Gino? Gino!
Think we can push him inside?
Look how many people. Hey!
Stay here? Fuck all these people. Guess what? Tomorrow, guess what? You'll be the only one being able to get out of here right here.
Yeah. Oh yeah?
Yeah, front row spot. Once this car moves.
Once
that car's out of here, you're out. You're out.
Your belief is good?
Oh yeah, you're good.
You got that money? Hold on.
We're famous.
The poor guy, right?
Yeah.
Look at everyone.
I know. I started waving. I kept going. Thank you. Look at all the people looking at us.
I call. Carter, put out a show for him.
Alright, back the fuck up. Which one? Are you plowed in?
No, I'm not.
No, I was gonna say I'll scrape behind your car.
Okay, you know, I just got
Yeah, everything's good to the highway. I mean, you can just take a left out of here. You're ready.
Hey, Sean. Wah.
Ain't the highway closed?
No, they reopened it.
Sean, tell him let it eat.
Let it. I'm going to the window. Hear that supercharger?
Oh yeah. Dude, this thing fucking moves. Get him, Charlie. Where do we go? Oh my gosh! Look at the Humvee! I think that's National Guard.
It's a National Guard.
Holy shit! Carter just dumped coal on him. All right, let's get out of here. And mustard! Beat the horn! Beat the horn! Woo-hoo-hoo!
Walk in the strip, she gon' make it bad.